Herbivorous animals. A herbivore is an animal or insect that only eats vegetation such as grasses, fruits, leaves, vegetables, roots and bulbs. Herbivores can be very large or very small. The world's largest herbivore is the African elephant. The world's smallest herbivore may be the feather-winged beetle. Herbivores have large, flat teeth that grind up plant materials. Many herbivores have special digestive systems that let them digest all kinds of plants, including a variety of grasses. Discover the surprising variety in the diets of herbivorous animals. Join us as we celebrate the incredible diversity of herbivorous animals and the delicious foods that sustain them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting adventures in the field. Question 1. Animals like okapi, kakapo, snails and caterpillars feed on leaves. They are called, your options are A. Folivores, B. Xylophags, C. Pollinivorous or D. Nectivores. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Folivores. Folivore is a herbivore that specializes in eating leaves. Folivorous animals include mammals such as okapis, elephants, sloths, possums, giant pandas, koalas and various species of monkeys. Birds such as the hoatzin of the Amazon region and the kakapo of New Zealand. Reptiles like iguanas. Insects, various kinds of caterpillars, sawflies, beetles and leaf miners. And land gastropod species like snails and slugs. Question 2. Animals like toucans, lemurs, fruit bats and gorillas feed on raw fruits, shoots, nuts and seeds. They are called, your options are A. Detritivores, B. Frugivores, C. Oviparous or D. Granivorous. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is frugivore. Frugivore is an animal that thrives mostly on raw fruits or fruit-like produce of plants such as roots, shoots, nuts and seeds. Mammals such as orangutans, fruit bats, hammer-headed bats, tapir, tortoise, flying fox, squirrels, rabbits, lemur and some species of monkeys. Birds such as hornbill, toucan, aracari, cassowaries, fruit pigeons and parrots, fish such as tambaqui are all frugivores. Question 3. Animals like beetles, termites, moths and beavers are wood-eating animals that feed on wood. They are called, your options are A. Detritivores, B. Frugivores, C. Xylophags or D. Granivores. Your time starts now. The correct answer is xylophags. Xylophags are animals whose primary diet consists of wood. Wood-eating animals include bark beetles, wood-boring beetles, beavers, moths, horntails, wood lice, shipworms, amphipods, termites, gribbles and squat lobster. Question 4. Animals like squirrels, argali, wild turkey and macaw feed on seeds and grains. They are called, your options are A. Nectivores, B. Carnivores, C. Palinivores or D. Granivores. Your time starts now. The correct answer is granivores. Granivores are animals whose primary diet consists of seeds and grains. Granivorous animals include mammals like squirrels, emu, ostrich, brush-tailed possum, hamster, dagu, rats, mouse, quail and argali. Birds like pigeons, sparrows, finch, crow, jay, dove, wild turkey, partridge, chipmunk, macaw and chickens. Question 5. Animals like flying fox, hummingbirds, honeybees and butterflies feed on nectar from flowering plants. They are called, your options are A. Xylophags, B. Nectivores, C. Folivores or D. Nectarphags. Your time starts now. The correct answer is nectivores. Nectivore is an animal whose diet consists mainly or exclusively of sugar-rich nectar produced by flowering plants. Nectivorous animals include mammals like flying fox, crested gecko, dormouse, loris, mahogany glider and cuscus. Birds like hummingbirds, bulbul, sunbird, honey-eater, apipane, woodstar and lorikeet. Insects like mosquitoes, hoverflies, wasps, honeybees, butterflies and bugs. Question 6. Animals like earthworms, fiddler crabs, starfish and sea cucumber feed on dead plants. They are called, your options are A. Oviparous, B. Nectivores, C. Detritivores or D. Omnivores. Your time starts now. The correct answer is detritivores. Detritivores are organisms that derive their nutrition from the organic waste of dead and decaying plants and animals. Detritivorous animals include millipeds, springtails, woodlice, dung flies, many terrestrial worms, sea stars, sea cucumbers, starfish, earthworms, millipeds, dung beetles, fiddler crabs and amphipods.